This is the other 5V, the FED-5V that we have. Let me show you the front, the back, the side, the top. Okay, sorry, the other side, the top, and the downside. And this unit actually comes with a bag, a leather bag. Let me show you the glass. So this is the glass. It's probably some dust. Yeah, aperture works okay. This unit, the shutter, let me show you. Let's try bulb mode first. Let's try 30 shutters first. Let me open behind. Oh, this is bulb mode. The bulb mode doesn't close back by itself. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me close. So to get a 30, I think this is the flash 30 mode. You need to go to 1, then it'll be flash 30. Okay, then now let's try 500. So 500 works. Let's do 250. 250 works. Let's do 125. Let's do 60. Let's do 15. Let's do 8. Let's do 4. Let's do in between. Okay. Let's do 1. Let's see if we can do less than 1. No, we can't. Maximum is, the lowest is 1. So all shutter speed seems okay, except the bulb mode doesn't close back by itself. You need to wind it and it will close. Only will close after you wind it. So there you go. I'm letting go this one at a good discount, so anything you can ask me. Thanks.